Welcome to qnawire.
Hi. In the elastic collision, we know that the initial and final velocity must be equal the velocities or speeds which in a way. That is, m1 v1 plus m2 v2 of initial will be equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2 of final. But in this problem, since the masses of the balls are equal, we can cancel out the masses. That is, for the A part of the question, the first ball hits a ball which is sitting at V is equal to 0 meters per second. After the hit, the second ball should be moving. Speed was transferred to the second ball. So, we can conclude that speed of first ball is equal to 0 meters per second and speed of second ball is equal to 1.40 meters per second. Now towards the B part, the second ball is moving towards the first, so in a negative direction we can write it as 1.40 plus minus 1.15. When they hit, the balls will travel in opposite direction than they initially were. So the velocity of ball 1 would be minus 1.15 meters per second and that of ball 2 will be 1.40 meters per second. And towards the C part, the second ball is traveling in the same direction but slower. So it will still get hit by the first ball. So both answers will be positive because basically all that happens in the second ball is the second ball speeds up after hitting the first one will slow down. So the first ball will have the speed of 0.80 meters per second and the second ball will have a speed of 1.4 meters per second. I hope the solution is clear. Thank you.